right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We did have another red day, but that's okay. Let's go right into the plays. So we did end up selling our SPY calls and McDonald's calls. On the SPY side, SPY was really difficult, to be honest. We actually locked out on this one. I did mention in another video with the day trades. We had to get out of this today. We did. We actually broke even today on the SPY. Can you guys believe that? We sold right about here. Let's go into the history. Basically, we bought yesterday 50 contracts for 80 cents a piece, and we sold them today 50 contracts for 80 cents a piece. Let's see what the prices are actually now. I'm kind of curious. That being said, the 302 calls are 28 cents. So we actually saved $3,000 by actually doing that today. But how am I down $3,000 if I actually broke even on the SPY? Let's hop into the McDonald's. McDonald's was ugly today. It was really tricky. Market open, was bouncing all over the place. Over here and here, I was thinking, okay, went down, bounced back up. Let me actually hold on to this. I actually exited the SPY call around this time here. So I only had the McDonald's call and actually went down. And what we did is we actually averaged down. Now that, again, it's a strategy that I use all the time. But basically, we ended up selling these contracts, 101 contracts. We used the money from the SPY calls, the $4,000 to buy in. That was a mistake. I shouldn't have done that. But again, I'm going to keep it real with you guys. I do make mistakes. I'm not perfect. I'm not the superstar here, but I do promise you guys this account will become $1 million. Wait for it. All right. And I want to talk about the play that I actually did today. I ended up selling this out exactly at pretty much near the close, 2 p.m. I sold for 35 cents a contract. We actually got $3,500 cash, and then we actually went in and purchased Bank of America puts. Now, why would I purchase Bank of America puts? This is kind of tricky to explain if you guys are familiar with the stock market. Bank of America had a phenomenal run. This right here is a great uptrend, and the bond markets are going down, interest rates are going up. So when interest rates go up, bank stocks do well. Again, let's look at the monthly chart. Kind of give you an idea. Again, this is on candlesticks. This isn't a technical analysis. This is just basically line graphs. Kind of give you an idea what the stock was doing, and all of a sudden had a great run up. And right about here, I bought it and basically bought 120 contracts of Bank of America, and we paid around 30 cents. They're currently worth 32 cents, so that's basically a profit of $240. Basically, next week, the Federal Reserve is going to announce their interest rate decisions. They're most likely going to cut rates. Again, this is already priced in. When they cut rates, bank stocks go down. Now, I did play this a little bit safe. I didn't want to go back and forth, keep buying options, keep hitting these day trades. Again, once that account is over $25,000, we won't have this PDT problem, pattern day trading. Again, my other account, I trade with higher balances, so I never ran into this issue in a long time, but I just did. But anyways, we bought Bank of America calls, and I kind of want to show you the math. This is actually kind of exciting. Again, we did buy it for $9.27, so we did buy it 2 weeks out, which is great. With that being said, if you guys want to see some math here, I'll show you exactly what's going to happen. Basically, Bank of America, if it breaks support and resistance, and again, I don't expect it to go much higher than where it's at now. Again, I think this is pretty much hitting the yearly high. Let's check this out. Yeah, the yearly high is right about here. It may go to 31, but again, that's a risk we're taking. My expectations are that the Federal Reserve will cut rates, also will reduce interest rates, and bank stocks will actually go down from that. How much money could we possibly make out of 120 contracts? Well, let's do some math. So basically, if Bank of America drops down to the support level here, which is around the 26, 27 mark area, which can possibly happen very quickly. I've seen this before. Every time the Fed talks, bank stocks drop. With all that being said, again, our strike price is 29.5. So if it hits around the 27, we're talking about like a $3, $2 play. And if we have actually, let's actually do this option calculator here. So if you actually have, if you actually end up selling these, let's actually go here. So let's say we have 120 I'm just using this as an example. We have 120 contracts, and they're currently worth 32 cents, which kind of explains the balance that we have right now. But let's just say it drops $3, and these contracts become worth $3. $3 will make us $36,000 on this play. How likely is this? 50-50. I'm not sure, but it's worth the gamble. Again, I'm not going to blow up the account because I did buy an extra week. I will sell out if I'm wrong, find other plays and alternatives. But again, guys, I want to keep it real 100% with you. I am going to lose money on days. I'm going to make money on days. We had a phenomenal run on the weekly. We phenomenal profits here on the monthly. This is before the YouTube videos. I mean, I can go in and out, and even a 3-month period. This is just my results personally. I do take out money all the time out of this account and profit. Again, we are profitable, but again, we started this channel right about here-ish. Yeah, right about here. We were at $2,000, $1,000, somewhere around here, and we're basically still double the money here. Again, things could have went out a lot better. Honestly, if the McDonald's calls and the spy calls would have performed the way I expected it to, we would have been over $30,000 today. But again, things don't always turn out the way you expect it to. But again, the video is a little bit longer. I did want to explain exactly what's going on. But again, guys, I really appreciate every single one of you. Subscribe, hit the like button. More videos will be coming up soon.